It's a rainy day. We just came from Costco. Now it's time to go home. It's shaking because I'm using a dashboard holder for the phone, but this phone is different from the other phone that I have, and it doesn't hold on to the phone as good as the other one does. I don't know why. It seems a couple of times that it fell off before I tested it on the dashboard. So I'm worried that it's gonna come off and fall again. I don't know, maybe the case, the protecting case on the phone is slippery. Rainy, cold day. That white car could cause an accident because it's blinking in front of us to the right. So I'm gonna have to be patient and wait until the car's to the left. Okay, no, I don't have to. Now it's leaving. So that's good. I won't have to merge to the left. see how this phone, its quality, the way the video is on white tee. So this is the first time I do recording on this new phone that I just got about 2 days ago. We would have been out of there earlier, but I couldn't find the coconut water that I wanted. So I keep on hearing good things about this certain coconut water that Costco sells by Kirkland's. And so I went ahead and I couldn't find it. I asked one of the employees from Costco, and they told me it was on aisle 128. It's raining harder, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear the raindrops. So we bought meat, milk, salad that me and Mrs. Correque love to have. It's a really good salad with salad dressing. What else did we buy? Like I said, the coconut water. Bought a few other things as well. Oh, salted crackers. GMO free, and you know it's really hard to find things that are GMO free. And if you do find them, they're expensive. So here in the US, unhealthy stuff is cheaper, a lot cheaper than the healthy foods. If you want healthy foods, it's more expensive, and they taste less to your satisfying. So cheaper, unhealthy foods taste so yummy, while healthy food doesn't taste too pleasant, and it's more expensive. The leaves are changing. Before you know it, it's going to be Thanksgiving. I really look forward to Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving. I love this type of season. I love this. I really look, I highly look forward to this season every year. I like it when it gets colder, when the beautiful leaves start changing colors. Then winter comes. I love it. Absolutely love it. And then it's striper season. Striper seasons when you go catch fish, certain species of fish. And it's out in the rivers as we speak. We're almost home. Thank you for joining us. All the way from the store to back home. So now to unload the food and take it inside the house and put it in the refrigerator and the freezer. Alright guys, well thank you. You guys take care. See you soon.